made this vending machine and I wanted to show you guys. It's inspired by Squishy Boba Forever. Basically, it's just a vending machine and you can put anything you want. Right now it has squishies in it and there's the display stand. It says, "My vending machine, only 25 cents, you can win anything. Pull and push." And then I do some pictures and put some stickers, and it says put in your 25 cents, then your prize, and then it's just a box, a shoe box. Then on the side it says what you could get, common erasers and little things. And there's also squishies, which I forgot to put on there. So here's the mechanism. So basically, you put your squishy in there, and then when you pull it, it drops in. I don't know if you can see. And then when you push it out, it falls out. And then this sponge leans against here, which makes it pop back out. And let me try it. Then you push it like that, and then your prize falls down. This is the waffle, and it's a really simple mechanism. The coins go in there, and then how you refill it is you take one of your squishies or anything you want to put, and you just put it in there. Like that. So I can do a tutorial on this. Just comment down below if you want me to do one, and I will do a tutorial on how to make this. So you just pull and push. And then you pull it back out. Then you take the prize out, which is the macaroon again. And then that's it. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!